Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a bohemian style clothing haul today. So I am inspired by the beautiful Miss Kourtney Kardashian. And I'm also inspired by Vanessa Hudgens. So you guys, if you literally follow me on Pinterest, honestly, I am obsessed with them. I love their clothing. I love how they look. I like how slick their hair is. I like everything about them. So I have been trying to get some more boho style stuff in my wardrobe. So today I went to the mall and I went to Charlotte Russe. A couple days ago I went to Forever 21 and got something. I went to Target. I've just been kind of slowly collecting things. So I'm going to show you guys some accessories first, and then I'm going to show you some of the clothing that I got. Hopefully you guys like it just as much as I do. If I find something that's similar to it, or if I can link it down below on the website, I will. And this is not from, obviously I have no followers. I just like clothing hauls. I'm trying to make this one a little bit more easier than the last one that I did. I feel like the last one that I did was a little long, but I just want you guys to see the clothes. I thought they were pretty cute. It's not really like vintagey style. It's more like bohemian chic. So I'm gonna show you those. And yes, I do have a metal straw. It's good for the environment. All right, people of the universe. The first thing that I picked out were these cute cat eye shades. And I got these cat eye shades from Forever 21. But these were so cute. I was like, you know what? I could rock these. I could totally do something with these. People usually like my shade options, but guess what? I have lots of shades now, y'all. And your girl is popping. And I'm gonna be popping with my cat eye shades too. Okay, the second accessory I got was these yellow tinted shades. I think this is so cute and so freaking retro. I was like, yo, what? Like, your girl is supposed to be poppin', honey. Who is that? Who are you? Who am I? Who are we? Okay. I thought these were really cute. And these like can pretty much go with anything too. So if you get like, I personally feel like yellow shades can go with whatever. I picked up this bag from Forever 21. I thought it was really cute. It's like this violet maroon color purse. It's really, really shiny. It feels really nice. It's a hand purse and also has this little piece in here that you can make it like a over the shoulder bag as well. I got it from Forever 21. It was around, it's about $22.90. So I thought this was really cute to go with my boho style. The next bag that I picked up was a Forever 21 as well. This one retails for $22.90 as well. This one, the strap is really long. This is an over the shoulder bag, or you can tuck it in there. You can have it as a little carry bag as well. So this is so cute, you guys. I cannot wait to wear this. I have a pair of shoes. I got these shoes from Charlotte Russe. They're about $12, $12.99. I just thought this could go with a lot of stuff. This is like super, I feel like this is kind of retro-ish too. Pretty cool. And I'm like really into the pointed toe shoe thing now. So this is my second pair of pointed toe shoes that I got. This is like a mustard color. I got them in a size 8, so we'll see how they fit. I didn't try them on in the store. I'm one of those girls that's just like, I'll wear a 7.5, and you know, you go up like a half size for pointy shoes. So they should fit, right? So personally, I think that chokers are not in anymore. That's just my take on the whole thing. I think chokers are out. But I saw this cute choker in Charlotte Russe, and I thought that I wanted to get it just because like I can see myself wearing it, not just like trendy, but like for a long time. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. So that's just gonna be so cute with my hair up and like a nice top bun or something. Super cute, right? Right. I also picked up 2 pairs of earrings at Charlotte Russe. I got these, and these are like some cute little flowers. I thought those would be so cute. And I also have been getting into these dangly earrings, you guys. These dangly earrings are so cute, guys, from Charlotte Russe. These are $5.99 and these were $4.99. So super cute. Love the mustard color. On to the clothing items that I got today. Y'all, so I picked up this. Is so cute. I feel like the color is such like a burnt orange. I'm into burnt oranges, maroons, and like mustard I'm into maroon colors right now, the burnt oranges and like the mustard color. I love those colors right now. This is like a onesie piece. I showed this in my vlog my weekly vlog. I didn't actually wear it yet, but this is a size medium. It's like a silk, not even really silk, but it feels really good. It's like a velvet-ish type feel. This is a one piece, comes out pretty low, so super cute. This is a one piece. I was like, you know what, guys, it's getting kind of cold or getting kind of warm outside, and your girl gotta get ready for the spring. So I picked up this romper in like this army green color. Y'all, to be honest, I hate army green because obviously I'm in the military and I don't like wearing military stuff outside of it, but sometimes I end up doing it, like colors. But this is so cute, y'all, and I actually saw Vanessa Hudgens wearing this in a picture, and I was like, what? I picked up something she has, y'all. I've been picking up so much stuff that she has. Like, oh, this is like a grown woman shirt, y'all. I'm getting on my grown woman status, but it's still boho chic. This reminds me of Kourtney Kardashian. So this is like an off-the-shoulder shirt. Has like, it's kind of roughly on the side. It's like a maroon with the white stripes. Super freaking cute, you guys. When I tried this on, I was like, girl, who are you? How old are you, girl? Like an off-the-shoulder onesie, right, or one piece right now that goes all the way down, like as leggings. But I haven't had one that's just a onesie that I can wear with jeans, and I'm into like mom jeans right now. Like I like mom jeans. Who am I? But I'm into mom jeans, and I thought that was so cute to wear with mom jeans, and I got it in a different color too. And both of these retail price for $17.99. So this one was super cute too. I thought the pattern is something I've never worn before. This would be really cute. I have some cross earrings that I just bought as well, maybe like less than like a month ago. And I love wearing my cross earrings with all my boho stuff, so super cute. And this is the last item that I got. I just got some light colored jeans. So these light colored jeans retail for about $34.99 in Charlotte Russe. Like I said, they had a sale. I wear a size 6 in Charlotte Russe. Oh, my piece is here. All right, thank you for watching. If you haven't liked or subscribed, like and click the subscribe button. You should. Thanks for watching.
YSL clutch bag boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that. Never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to demo